everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create captions or subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we have our sample footage right here with an audio with it. So when you play it, this is what the audio is like. Hello everyone, this is how you create captions or subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is something that I have created for this example. So we'll be using this as a example footage. So we will be captioning this one. So we'll be adding a subtitle or caption to this one. So to do that, most of you are probably thinking that we have to put a text right here. So press on T and press anything here, and we can go and just put the text right here. So hello everyone, and make this smaller right there. Just make this smaller so that it would be like a subtitle, and just like that. And you want to put it just like this. Most of you are probably thinking that this is how to do it, but this is just simply you can also do it this way, but I don't think this is very efficient. So I can just make it smaller right here, and just like that. Or maybe I can go for just regular, or maybe select other font because this is ugly font right there, and we can go for Verdana. Yeah, let's go for it. Or we can just go right here. Hello everyone. Just like that, and then we want to position it at the middle right there. And this is how you do it. Hello everyone. And when you cut it at when it's the end of the phrase right there, and then you add another one by duplicating it by holding the Alt key and dragging it just like that. This is how you create, and you want to go and extend the subtitles just like that, and then you want to change this again. This is how you create, and just like that. And then you want to click on the again, and you want to put this in the middle by clicking here and clicking here. And by the way, if you don't know how to get this essential graphics, you just need to go here in the window panel and click on essential graphics right here, and you can have this pane right here. And when you play it, it would be like this. Hello everyone, this is how you create. And as you can see, it's like that. It's really simple, but I don't think this is efficient, and I will present you a more efficient way on how you can do this if you don't want to do it this way manually. So you can just click here on this button, and then from here go into captions and graphics, and all you have to do is go into transcript and transcribe sequence right here. And then you want to go for English, and you don't want, it depends on if you want to separate speakers, if you have one or more speakers in your audio, and click on transcribe, and it would automatically transcribe the sequence for you. You don't have to do any captioning, so it would be like it's auto captioning, so the AI would do it for you. So when you play it right here, you can click here on create captions once it's done loading, and you don't have any corrections that you want to make, then you can click on create captions and create captions. I suggest that you could just go for subtitle default right here, and you can edit it right here depending on what you want, but I guess the default one is right for me. Or I can just go with smaller characters so that there would be more subtitles right there, and maybe right here, and create captions. And now it's creating captions for me, and as you can see, there are subtitles already, or captions right here available for me right here without typing it individually. And when I play it, hello everyone, this is how you create captions or subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you can see, it's like that. I think there is something that needs to be done with that, with editing the captions. Like here, I'd maybe want it to be only one, like one row, not this one right here. Then you can also edit it when you are doing the captions, so you can just go back into transcript and create captions, and you can just edit it right here, and you can go for single lines right there. And when you create the captions, you can see that there is only one line now right there. And when you play it, hello everyone, this is how you create captions or subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. And see, that is much better. So this is basically how you do it. Now you have captions. All you have to do is when you export it, right here, when you export your captions, make sure that you include the captions right here. So you want to go into your video, I think that is right here, and you wanna go for your captions. I think right here in the right here, it's right here. So make sure that this is enabled so that your video would have captions right there. So this is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.